I think we live in a world where there's not a lack of money or technology, but maybe a lack of imagination. I like making landscapes of the future. It's a proposal for how a world can look like. My name is Daan Roosgaarde and I want to upgrade reality. The Afsluitdijk, the 32-kilometer dam, in the Netherlands it's quite famous because it protects us from not dying, from not drowning. And it's this sort of beautiful Zen line in the middle of the sea. But at the same time, not so many people know it, and they just drive over it and they don't really see the magic. And because of the rising sea level, it is in need of renovation. And the Ministry of Infrastructure commissioned us to sort of enhance the beauty of this 32-kilometer line in the middle of the water. And we wanted to do something with light, with energy, but we knew that everything we use with technology, like microchips or sensors, would die because of the salt and the rain and the wind. It's very harsh environment. So we were sort of struggling with that in that way, and after three or 4 weeks, we're like, yeah, but of course there's already light present, which is the headlights of the car. So what if we can sort of upcycle? And that's when the idea came to start to layer these buildings with a layer of retro-reflective material. So based on the headlights of the car, the buildings would enlighten themselves as you are driving through the blueprint of the famous historical architect. And at the same time, it's a statement about a landscape which is energy neutral. There's only light when cars are there, so there's no light pollution. And it feels like a gateway towards how a new world can look like.